Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and manage different users with different permissions using the user management in the GridVis Web. The GridVis desktop has its own user management with its own permission schema. You can use both user managements in parallel in one project. In this example, there are 3 users. One administrator, one user who may only create or edit new project content, and one user who is granted read-only access. Open the user management. These settings apply for the main project. You cannot use the user management in parallel with an Active Directory. You can recognize that an Active Directory is in use by the fact that the switches for all created users are grayed out in the user management. The user management is used to define the permissions of the individual users by means of roles. The view role is required for all users who need to be able to interact with project content. If a user is to have access to the system settings and the user management, the Manage role is required. The admin user always exists and has all available permissions. This user also cannot be deactivated. In addition, the user who is only allowed to create or edit project content such as dashboards is already created here. The next step is to create the user who is only intended to be able to view project content. You can use a user like this, for example, to display a dashboard in a lobby. To do so, create a new user. Enter the personal details. If you do not assign a password, the user is created with the default password Janica. You can define a start dashboard for each user. This dashboard is displayed when the user has logged in or clicks on the Home button in the top menu bar. If no start dashboard is defined, the landing page is displayed instead. Finally, specify the language and country of the user. Selecting the language defines the GridVis display language. The country affects certain country-specific settings, such as the first day of the week. The automatic execution of reports uses the language with which the service was installed. If, for example, the service was installed in German and a report was created by an English user, the automatic execution takes place in German, regardless of the user. In the next step, select all the roles that the new user should have. If you edit a user, you can further restrict their access to the GridVis. Select individual dashboards here so that this user can only see these dashboards. Proceed in the same way with the dashboard groups from previous GridVis versions. If these input fields are empty, the dashboards or dashboard groups are not restricted for this user. Finally, specify whether the user is allowed to edit their own profile. For example, users can set their preferred start dashboards themselves. Regardless of this setting, a user can always change their password. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janica.de.